what we're seeing in the market is that as the deals become larger, it's mostly been full cycle sellers. We see a shift back to that happening even for smaller deals, like the larger of the SaaS ACVs that were in that assembly line mode, STR, AE, sales engineer, etc., 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 right? We see a
Mhm.
bit of a shift back to full cycle selling. A lot of teams I keep meeting are now going full cycle. We are, we have. So from an STR plus AE, pod sort of a thing, we tell our AEs that you're full cycle. 50% of your pipeline you have to build yourself. 50% of the pipeline will come from inbound and partnerships and so on and so forth. So that is what we are doing. We are seeing that shift in the market as well. STR role as it keeps coming up, right? And especially that STR AE structure, and then that gets extended sometimes to a sales engineer in some cases, and maybe an LDR or something in some cases. I think that lower end of the market there, SMB, etc., there could be a play, but that is getting automated very quickly. Like that's where
Mhm.
automation's coming in. So if you put two plus two together, you we will see more automation replacing that assembly line. So essentially the human assembly line is being replaced by robotic, right? Assembly line in some ways, but that is creating a larger space, for human sellers to play a larger role, in a full cycle kind of a mode. So maybe again that goes towards, more luxury cars and, handmade cars being sold, while the factory cars are being, the humans are being replaced more and more by robots. So maybe that's what's happening. I'm not sure. I think it's evolving. But these two patterns we have seen, the shift towards full cycle and automation replacing the lower end of selling that is not seeing that shift.